How to fix Slay the Spire 2 is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to open up the properties by right-clicking on the game and click on properties, and then in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Now go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once it's done, you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab. Now you want to search for Redist and click on the first link. Now scroll down to the second table and download the 86 redistributables and the 64 and install both of these. After the installation, it might ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, you'll need to also check you have the latest graphics card driver updates. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you can use the NVIDIA app. And if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to drivers and check for the latest available drivers and make sure to download and install them. And now all you need to do is start Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then you can launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.